It all starts with the setup. You'll be required to address the bar whilst in the rack and take a fully enclosed grip slightly wider than that of your shoulders with the bar resting across the trapezius. Both feet must be positioned directly underneath the bar before unracking it to take a step back. The actual width of the foot position will be a minimum of asis over second toe, with the toes themselves pointing out to a comfortable and natural position. The head should be up and the spine in a neutral position. When all of these criteria are hit, this will be referred to as the setup position from which to start your attempt. From the setup position, you will engage the first movement. This will consist of a slow, controlled descent by flexing at the knees and the hips. When flexing at the knees, make sure that the knees track in the direction of the toes and don't excessively veer in or out. The depth required is that of the hip below the knee, and at all times the spine will be required to remain in a neutral position with the head up and in line. Throughout the whole movement, you'll be required to maintain integrity of the lumbar spine, in particular exhibiting no excessive or unsafe pelvic tilt at any point throughout the lift. Once you have achieved the required depth, you will enter into the second phase of the movement, which will involve extension of the knees and hips. At the completion of this phase, the knees and hips will be fully extended with the head in line and spine neutral. The bar must remain in contact with the back in the original setup position. The footwear used for the squat should ideally be flat-soled, stable and appropriate, ideally a weightlifting shoe. Clips or collars should ideally be used to maintain safety, and make sure you know the load on the bar before the lift and are confident in that load before attempting the squat.